Picnic party. A visit to historical place. What peaceful hours I enjoyed. How sweet their memories still. Copper. People are living in the age of cutthroat competition. They have to work like machines day and night. They have to strain every nerve to become successful in life. They do not have time to enjoy even the little joys of life. Oh, lift me as a wave, as a leaf, as a cloud. I fall upon thrones of life, I bleed. One may like thee timeless, swift and proud. Really. In this hurly-burly world of trail, tumult and turmoil, people toil from dawn to dusk. As a result, they become dull in soul and drab in spirit. They confine themselves to stinking cages of greed. Last summer, I was also stuck in the daily routine of my busy life, and I discussed it with my friend. And he said the same situation is here. So we decided to visit such place for picnic that could reflect both nature and knowledge. So it comes to our to visit to the tomb of Jahangir. The Pakistani culture, though reflect with wondrous achievements, historical events, admirable accomplishments, but it is remarkably exceptional of its historical heritage. And the historical places in Pakistan are emblem of Muslim culture. Our people's relationship to their heritage is the same as a child's relation to his mother. Johann Henry Clade. So finally we chose the tomb of Jahangir for our picnic party. We decided to go there on Sunday. We were very excited for picnic party. We packed our luggage, we took our mat and many things to eat including fruits, juices and sandwiches, and put them into the huge picnic basket. We were so excited so that at 10 a.m. on the Sunday we arrived at the departure place in time. It was 7th of September, the weather was good. Cool breeze was blowing and we were enjoying our journey. I began to say, never felt a calm so deep. Wordsworth. We reached in the tomb of Jahangir at about 11 a.m. The four magnificent minarets above tomb presented an amazing view. A high wall and an elegantly decorated big gate guarded the tomb of great emperor. The tomb occupies in the heart of beautiful park. The ornamented park was studded with colorful birds and blooming flowers. To see the stunning beauty, this verse came in my mind. وَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ? Then which of favors of your Lord will you deny? The marble fountain was sprinkling its light shower in the front of the great tomb. The drizzling of tiny drops of fountain water produced a soft resonance of ultimate excellence. It was a beautiful sight and we were feeling hungry too. So we put the mat on the green grass and then eat the fruits and sandwiches with joy. A savage place, holy and enchanted. After that, we decided to visit the whole tomb. Soon afterward, we were in the magnificent edifice of Mughal art containing the tomb of emperor. What the life of luxury and opulence he had lived, but now he was lying alone and deserted in infinity. Oh, threats of hell and the hopes of paradise. One thing that is certain, this life lies. One thing is certain and the rest is lies. The flower that once has blown forever dies. The interior of the room was adorned with floral and mosaic designs. These curated designs were signifying the misery of death. We offered the Fatiha and prayed Allah to be merciful and beneficent to the departed soul. As a whole, the building was a marvelous specimen of the Mughal art, and matchless in its beauty and structure. After that, we visited the terrace of the tomb and had a view of Lahore from there. It presents a spectacular sight. The cool breeze and the canopy of silver clouds above our heads presented a splendid sight. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. When the sun began to fade in descending dusk, we headed our home. It was a wonderful trip with friends and we enjoyed a lot there. and I can still gather sound of our laugh in that picnic party. I will never forget this time with my friends. I found myself in nothing else so happy as in so remembering good friends. Thanks for watching.